7 must-have WMS features for Shopify. Shopify is a great start. Shopify is a capable e-com platform, but when it comes to high-speed fulfillment, your warehouse needs tools built for the warehouse floor. That's where GroovePacker comes in. GroovePacker connects directly to Shopify, bringing your orders, products, and fulfillment workflow into a streamlined, scanner-driven system designed to eliminate misships, speed up packing, and give managers real-time visibility into operations. 1. Flexible order priorities. Orders can be reviewed, combined, split, or prioritized in Shopify before import. Or, GroovePacker can automatically import each order at the moment it's scanned to ensure your team always works with the most up-to-date information. You can even control fulfillment priority using Shopify order tags, enabling automated batching and paperless workflows. 2. Scanning. Packing begins by scanning the order barcode or shipping label. GroovePacker instantly loads the order and guides the packer through each item in sequence based on its warehouse location. As items are scanned, GroovePacker verifies them in real time using both visual and audio alerts to immediately catch incorrect items, preventing costly shipping mistakes. Every unit is counted automatically to eliminate packing mistakes, and once the final item is scanned, the order is confirmed complete. 3. Product info. GroovePacker enhances your Shopify product data with warehouse-ready information like bin locations, packing instructions, and optional picking-specific product images, helping new staff pack accurately from day one without changing anything in your Shopify store. 4. Shipping label options. Once scanning is complete, your shipping workflow continues automatically. You can have the scanned order open directly in Shopify to generate the shipping label, print labels using integrated third-party shipping apps, or generate carrier labels directly inside GroovePacker with instant rate comparison and an efficient, hotkey-driven process. This enables a shipping process that's both fast and exceptionally error-proof. 5. Order progress updates. As soon as orders are scanned, GroovePacker can automatically add a GP scanned tag to the Shopify order, mark order items as fulfilled through the Shopify API, or open the order automatically in Shopify for label creation. This closes the fulfillment loop without requiring packers to return to Shopify. 6. Physical inventory tracking. GroovePacker tracks physical inventory independently from Shopify, giving you a real-time view of what's actually on your shelves, not just what has been sold. You can receive inventory using barcode scanning, count inventory piece by piece, review changes and push or pull inventory levels to Shopify instantly. This integrated system eliminates overselling, stock discrepancies, and manual updates. 7. Real-time pick-pack metrics. Managers also gain a live dashboard showing packing performance across the floor, from the last 15 minutes to weekly trends. You can instantly spot slowdowns, identify top performers, and keep your fulfillment team engaged with real-time productivity feedback. GroovePacker's scan-to-score gamification takes things even further, tracking each user's scanning speed and consistency as they work, and giving them visual indicators and audio feedback to see immediately how their speed and accuracy contribute to their daily score. From the moment an order enters Shopify to the moment it ships, GroovePacker turns fulfillment into a fast, verified, data-driven workflow built specifically for warehouse teams. If you're scaling your Shopify operation and want faster packing, fewer shipping errors, and real-time operational visibility, GroovePacker is ready to plug directly into your process. Schedule a walkthrough today and see how quickly your fulfillment operation can move.